Hi guys, Stefan here with the Chatbot Conference. So chances are, over the last year or so, you probably heard about chatbots and artificial intelligence. And you're probably a little bit confused and you don't know exactly what a chatbot is or how to use artificial intelligence in your business, for your business, or maybe for your customers. So this September, we're going to cover these two topics. Exactly how to use chatbots and artificial intelligence in a way that produces return on investment, ROI for businesses, and how to decrease cost or increase revenue. Those are the two main ways that chatbots work. And then two, we're also going to be talking about emerging technologies like voice, the latest stage of artificial intelligence, natural language processing, and then a little bit of machine learning and some of those use cases where companies are going after and really driving costs down. Areas like human resources, back-end bots, marketing bots, of course, customer service chatbots, and so on. This is the premier event in the space. We're one of the top conferences in the world when it comes to chatbots, artificial intelligence, voice assistants. So be sure to join us this September 25th and 26th here in San Francisco.